It's me, Jiana, and today I'll be painting rainbow flowers. So for my materials, I have a white canvas, water, paintbrushes, a pencil, acrylic paints, my paint palette, and different sizes of flower stencils. So let's get started. So guys, I placed the flower stencils on the canvas. So I have to mark where I'm going to color, and then I will take out the flower stencils. Then I can paint. So here's where I marked some of them and the flower stencils. So guys, right now I am going to circle the places where I am going to color. So guys, now I'm going to remove my flower stencils one by one. So guys, see all my circles? That's gonna be my guide. So I can start painting, and I'm gonna start with red because it's the first color of the rainbow. Here's how it looks for now. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry, then I'll put back the flower stencils back on the canvas. So guys, the paint dried, and so now I'm ready to put back the flower stencils. I can't wait to see what it looks like, guys. So guys, here's how it looks with the flower stencils. And so, it's amazing. It looks cool. So, I'm ready to paint with the pink now. So guys, here's how it looks like. It's all pink, huh? I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done drying. So for now, I'm going to wait for it to dry again. So yeah. So guys, it's finally dried. So here's how it looks when it's all dry. And so now I'm going to take off the flower stencils. I can't wait to see what it looks underneath every pink thing. that subscribe button, turn on notifications, click the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye! Keep on painting, everyone!